Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Seek Show. Today I am going to show you a simple risk analysis using ArcGIS. It's about dengue fever risk analysis. Okay, let's move to the today's video. Okay, right. You can see the different shape files and some other data files here. Breeding locations of the dengue mosquitoes, medical center locations, land use map, and some other data files, including patient locations. Those are the criteria, those are the data that we will need to do this risk analysis. You can see the breeding locations, 320 observations of breeding locations. These are the medical centers. We have 99 medical centers. And the land use map, you can see the description here, this field, different land users. Also, we have patient locations, patient ID, Y coordinate and X coordinate, 100 patients. Some other field data we have. Sometimes we will need these criteria and many other criteria to do a risk analysis on dengue fever. Just get the idea. You can see the patient name, their sex, and the age, and the type of the dengue risk level. Serotype of the dengue fever, type 1 and type 2. They have different risk levels. That's why we have considered it here. First we have to, let me do some color adjustments. Okay, right, it's clear now. First, we have to export this Excel patient location file into a shape file. Display XY data, X field X, Y field Y, and the coordinate system is unknown for now. Click OK. You can see the XY coordinates of the patient locations. This is an event shape file. This is not a permanent one. This is a temporary file. So we have to export to make it permanent shape file. I will give it the name when I am exporting. Patient locations. Save, click OK. Yes. Now we don't want this event shape file removed, and also we don't want patient location Excel file. So these are the patient locations of this area. We don't want this patient location Excel file. I'm removing it. I will remove it because we have already created a new patient location shape file. Now what I am going to do, join some data. We have collected data separately. That's why we have to join. Field data, and here sheet 1 You can see the patient names and some other details. Now we are going to join patient location shapefile with this sheet 1 patient names. Open the attribute table. Click on this tiny down arrow here. Join and relates, join. Click here. ID. Patient locations ID with sheet 1 ID, PID. Those must be unique. Keep all records and click OK and here yes. Now you can see data in the sheet 1 have joined with patient location shapefile. We have to put all the collected data into a single shapefile. Now you can see columns have been joined. Sheet 1 and patient locations both have 100 observations. Number of observations must be similar, equal. Breeding locations. Also, field data also has 320 observations. Now we are going to join these two breeding locations with field data. Open attribute table. Click here. Join and relates, join. Set if ID number, field data here, ID number. Keep all records and click OK. OK, right. Now we are going to do the analysis part. Now we have included all the necessary details in the shapefile. Geographical locations, patient name, sex, age, and the stage of the serotype of the dengue fever. Let's move to the analysis part. Before we go to the complex analysis part, I want to show you how to represent the data that we have included into this patient location shapefile. To do that, just go to the patient location properties. Then go to Symbology. Under the category you can set type. Click on it and add all values. You can see the types. The attribute table will represent using this symbology. Again I am showing categories and go to type and add all values. Click apply and OK. These two types, type 1 and type 2, will show up on the map. Now you can see the distribution of the serotype of the dengue fever. It is easy to identify the distribution of the risk level or the serotype of the dengue fever type 1 and type 2. Then let's go to the another complex analysis. You can open this attribute table here. You can see patient name, their sex, their age, and also serotype, and many other details. You can have different criteria for each risk levels. For now, you can see I have created 5 risk levels: very high risk level, moderate risk, and low risk. Based on these age and serotype condition, we can categorize a patient as very high risk patient or low risk patient. If a patient has serotype 1 and his age between 10 to 50, his risk level is low risk. Based on these conditions, criteria, we are going to do the analysis and create the map. Of course, you can have your own criteria for any kind of risk analysis. Okay, open the attribute table. Now I am going to select one risk level, very high risk level patient using the attributes serotype 2, as well as age should be less than 10 and higher than 50. Just keep watching until the end what I am doing. This is the place where you are going to apply your query to select very high risk level patient, high risk level patient, moderate risk level patient, and low risk patients. These. So for now, very high risk level patient will be selected. I will write the query. Using this simple query, we can select very high risk level patients. Age and the serotype is the conditions. Click apply. By considering all the attributes, we can select very high risk level patients. Likewise, we can use the select attribute feature to select other categories. But before that, you have to add a new field. I will name risk level. Type should be set it as text and click OK. You can fill these columns as high risk level patients, high risk, very high risk. Use the field calculator. Hope you have a good basic understanding on ArcMap software. If not, please check my channel's playlist to learn from the basics. GIS and remote sensing tutorials are available for you. Okay, right. For now, I have selected very high risk level patients. Using the same process, we can select the other risk level too. Keep watching till the end to learn them all and have an idea and have a good understanding. I will fast forward the video. Right, we have selected all these 4 risk levels. Now it is simple to represent all types of risk level in the land use map. We have to use a simple query like that one and select one by one. Hope you understand this tutorial. If not, please comment in the comment section. I will be there for you. If you learn something new, please hit a like for this video. Share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications and to stay updated with future tutorials and other technological stuff. You can see what I am doing here. I am just making few adjustments, color adjustments to finalize the map. So watch till the end to learn something new. And that's all for today. I will be back with another video for you soon. Till then, take care and goodbye. Don't forget to watch till the end.